Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you're all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful and very flexible planter. You can place so many different sizes of pots and plates in this planter. So let's get started. To make this planter you need 8 cords and I folded them in half like this. Now cross 4 cords over these 4 cords and this is the middle point. Paste it like this. Now we need to make a crown knot. This is the middle section for all the 8 cords. And now pick this cord, take it as number 1 and cross it over number 2. Now take the number 2 and cross it over number 1 and number 3. Then take these cords number 3 and cross them over number 1 and 4. Now take the 4th cord and cross it over number 3 and pass through this loop. So we have this round knot here. Pull everything tight. You can remove this tape now. Now we have this crown knot and we just pasted it on our working board. Now what we have to do is, now you have to divide these cords like 2 here, 2 here, and then 2, 2. You need to divide these like this. So we just divided these 16 cords into 8 sets and each set is having 2 cords. After dividing these cords, let's leave 3 inches of distance like this and make a simple knot here. So we have the simple knot on the distance of 3 inches and similarly we will do this for the rest of the planter. So we just made knots all over the planter, leaving the 3 inches of distance, like this. Now again, leave 3 inches of distance here, but this time you will pair up the adjacent cords like this. And then make a knot here. And now for the third time, again leave the 3 inches of distance and make knots by adjoining these and pairing up like this. And you will do this for rest of the planter. So once you are done with the second knot, it's always easy to invert your work like this and it's always easy to manage the knots that they are in the same row like I have done here. Now you can make the third and final row. So once you are done with all the knotting, check the distance and then just secure this. We have done these knottings like 3 times. We done crown knot, then we done this knot, second and third. Now take a wooden ring like this and holding your crown knot, pull it through the wooden ring, leaving the 14 inches distance. The planter should be like 14 inches. Keep this tail on your ring like this. This is the tail remaining side from the back side of the planter. Now turn this. This is your front of the planter. Take 2 cords from here and 2 cords from here and make a square knot. Like this. Keep it tight and also check your planter from downwards that it's balanced. Pull it very tight, and now we will make a gathering knot here. So we did this square knot. This is the front side and this is the back side. Now we will do gathering knot to secure this planter. We will do the gathering knot from the back side like this. You can cover the square knot also. I am covering the square knot also. So we just completed our project today. I hope you love this very beautiful and very flexible planter. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, take care of yourselves and Khuda Hafiz.